Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable price alerts on Bitget. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget account, which of course I've done right here. Next one is how do you create an account on Bitget. Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type bitget.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Bitget. Once again, to the website, fill through the on-screen prompt to sign up to create an account. Now you can use the sign up button to create a new account or the login button to log in using an existing account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Bitget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to enable price alerts on Bitget wallet. Now, I'd like you to know that price alerts can pretty much be enabled in your mobile device. That's your mobile application. Okay, so once you log into your mobile application, all right, from the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon from the home page. Once you click on profile icon, you can take it to a window, and in that window, you can see a couple options, and one of them is price alerts. Now, click on the price alerts. All right, so price alerts allows you to use notifications for specific cryptocurrencies and the prices. All right, for you to use notifications for specific cryptocurrencies prices. So once you click on price alerts from that window, so on your home page, click on your profile icon and then click on price alerts. Click on create alerts. So if you click on create alerts, then you'll be asked to set the price, and you're also going to be asked to set the frequency. And once you set the frequency, you'll now, of course, click on create alert. And once you click on create alert, you see the alert is going to be created on your mobile phone. Here's what you can do with the web application. So click on this profile icon. Just click on that. This is coming right up. So in here, we're going to have to head over to settings from the left corner of your screen. So click on settings. So from this settings, all the way down where you have change business. So when you switch to new UTC time zone, the calculation for price code changes in spot, margin, and futures market to updated. So you can set this for you to get your alerts. And then you have notifications. So notification, you can get promotional notifications, site messages, email, app push notifications, and you have transaction notifications that you can set this up. So futures trading notification, futures notification sound, spot. So click on setup, and once you click on setup, you'll be able to set it for each. So for each transaction that you make, so you can click on futures trading notifications, futures notification sound, spot trading notifications, toggle this on. So after toggling this on, that could also be a thing for you. So this is pretty much what you can do in the web application. And of course, the mobile application, like I've explained earlier. This is what you can do to enable price alerts on Bitget. I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.